Now we are going to learn, if our given number is not complete cube number, in that situation how can we find cube root of that given number. So for that, here some terms we have to understand, and if we are keeping in mind those terms, then we can solve our example. So in front of you here has written what would be our first term, a cube, our second term a square b, our third term 3a square c plus 3ab square, fourth term in that way and fifth term in that way. Okay, here to find the values of a, b, c, d and e, what to do while our answer question number is not complete cube number, that we are going to understand. Suppose from the given number, only first pair we are subtracting, from first pair any specific cube number we are subtracting, we will get definitely value of a. So our first term related to our value of a. Now our second term a square b, it is related to finding value of b. Just observation, you can understand that if we will subtract 3a square, if we will divide this by 3a square, we will automatically get b. Now our third term is related to finding value of c. Now how it can be? Just observe this and this term. If we will subtract 3ab square and then we will divide by 3a square, we will find value of c. Just in example we will do, so no problem. Now in the fourth value, it is related to d. Okay, if we will subtract this portion and then in the remaining we will divide 3a square, we will get value of d. So this term is related to d, and finally this fifth one term is related to e. That how, if we will subtract up to this and what has remained, to that if we will divide by 3a square, then we will get value of e. In that way we can find value of a, b, c, d, e in the example. Okay, you don't worry, it is very simple while solving, and by solving 2-3 example you will be master in that, no problem. We are just taking, just only this explanation is so important, what we are subtracting and why we are subtracting or what we are doing. Till that you won't understand the basic concept, so it has been cleared. Okay, so here you can understand, to find the value of b, c, d and e, one thing is common. Every time we are dividing by 3a square, that is to keep in mind, something we are subtracting and then we are dividing by 3a square, that is common. So with the help of that, this example we can solve by division method. So very simple example, don't worry, and just we are conducting this example. Suppose there is a number 83 and we have to find cube root of it. Then obviously 83 is not complete cube number, because we know that cube of 4 is 64 and cube of 5 is 125. It is between of it, means definitely it is an incomplete cube number. Okay, so we are now finding the cube root of this given number. Very simple, very simple. Firstly we are putting one cross line. After 83 nothing is there, so for further example solving, just I am putting some of the zeros, okay, as per method. Then I am thinking, okay, means it is my first pair, that like I am thinking just only, and now so thinking which is a number, which cube number is near to 83 and also can be subtract from it. So definitely 64 I am getting, 64 I am getting. Before that I want to write like that, so our example solving would be more easy, and here I want to put one line. So here I want to get as my first digit, it means a, as 4 I want to take. So 4, it is my first digit I said, so I want to write here a. So it is, its cube is 64, that I want to subtract from it. 83 minus 64 is 1919, that I want to keep with the 0. Okay, so now what to do? I told you in every example 3a square is common and we should divide it by it. So if it is a, then what would be 3a square? A square is 4 4s are 16. 16 3s are 48. That I want to write as a divisor of this example. Okay, so observe carefully, you will understand everything. Okay, here this I want to rub just now. Only you should keep in mind this is our 3a square. In each term there is 3a square. That a square we have taken. So now it's turn to just we found a. It's turn to found b. Now think about b. From the b means from this value, if I will divide by 3a square, I can get b. So let us do that. Okay, so now here in the division form what can we do? Here is 48. 48 words I can do here. 48 words I can do here. So suppose one digit I am hiding, so it is near to 50. So I am saying 54s are looking suitable for me. Looking suitable. So just trying. So here after the slash, here I want to put decimal point, and then 4s I am just trying firstly. So 48 4s 192 are there. Then 192 are bigger, little bigger, so but cannot take. So 3s are perfect suitable, that we know. So now 3s are just trying. 144 are those. Okay, so we should subtract 144 from here to write here something. So 144 if I am subtracting, then remaining is 46, that I am adding here. Okay, so furtherly now I have 46, and this is what term? This is now, it is third term. It is third term. Just keep in mind, it is third term. 460 is our third term. Now so from third term we will subtract firstly 3ab square. Okay, so we are going to subtract 3ab square. Then whatever we get, we can divide by 48, means we can divide by 3a square. Okay, so 3ab square. 3a is A is 3 and B is, sorry, A is 4 and B is 3 3s are 9. Okay, so togetherly 3ab square is 12 9s are 108. 12 9s are 109. Just carefully to observe. Now 460 minus 108 are 352. We got 352. Now here is 352 and here are 48. So what is suitable? That to think. What did we do? Think about the third term. We subtracted firstly 3ab square. Then after subtracting 3ab square, we got 352. And now it is 352 now. So if we will divide by 3a square, what would remain? That would our c. So now by dividing we will get c. So 48 words are 48 words are. So one digit from here I am hiding, one digit from here I am hiding, but it is very close to 50. So 5s are trying. 5 7s are 35. 5 7s are 35. Also it can be 8s are possible, but 7s are directly I am trying, because in those example we need bigger reminder every time. So 7s is clear, so I am taking 7s only here. Okay, so trying first 7s, that is important. Okay, 48 7s are just trying. Here I am getting 136. 5 8s are 56. 5 carry over, 28 and 5 33. Okay, 336 are there. 7s are 48 7s are. So that is suitable, I think. So let us subtract 7 is already I have taken, that is our C, and now I am subtracting 336 from it, 336 from it to get further. Okay, so it is now 12 minus 6, inversely now 0, 1 and 6. Okay, I got back again here 160. Okay, okay, yeah, here we taken 7s. So after subtracting 7s, we are getting 160. But see, now here 4 term, this much we have to subtract. So subtracting is hard for us here because that would be bigger. So just only imagine 3 cube. 3 cube only is bigger. So we cannot subtract whole the term. So 7s I am cancelling and I am taking 6s. So now I am trying by 6s, and if I will subtract 48 6s from it, I will get here 64. Now here is with me 640 for further execution, and from 640 I should subtract now 6 ABC plus B cube. 6 ABC plus B cube I should subtract, and then whatever remains that I should divide by 48 to get D. It is our C6. Now 6 has been defined as a C. Okay, now let us find what is 6 ABC plus B3. Here I will do. So doing would be more better. 6 here I will do 6 ABC plus B cube. Okay, so 6 A is 4, B is 3 and C is 6 cube, 6 plus B cube. 3's cube is 27. Okay, now this whole addition we will do, that is togetherly 6 6s 36 into 12, 36 into 12 plus 36 into 12, 12 6s 72, 12 3s 36 and 7 43. Yes, 432 plus 27, 432 plus 27, togetherly they are 954. If we will subtract 954 from it, we are getting 181. 181. Now for 181 we are thinking Wadza is suitable, so we will find 3za is suitable, and after subtracting 3za from it we will get 37 for further example, but let it be, we are not requiring to solve. So we got the answer 4.363. 4.363. Everything I am rubbing, so you will get very clearly. Here we got our D. It is 4.363 is our answer. In that way we can solve. One more example of the division we are taking, so again our concept would be more clear. Okay, so now we are taking one example.